Welcome DEKWP, 小工 aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Ever wondered if consciousness is just a fancy illusion? Or maybe a glitch in the system? Forget the old dusty theories. We're diving into a fresh, networked perspective that might just flip your understanding upside down. Alright, let's meet the star of our show, the DIKWP model. Think of it not as a simple pyramid, but a buzzing, interconnected web. We've got data, the raw stuff, information, the connections between data, knowledge, the structured patterns, wisdom, the smart application, and purpose, the big boss driving everything, the magic. It's all linked up, 25 ways to interact. High-level goals nudge low-level perception, and feedback constantly tweaks the whole shebang. It's less like a rigid pipeline, more like a dynamic, self-correcting, cognitive ecosystem. This network structure is key to understanding how we even perceive consciousness in the first place. Now, things get spicy when two DIKWP systems bump into each other. Let's call them Observer A and Subject B. What happens? It's a complex dance. For Observer A to deem Subject B conscious, they must successfully map Subject B's output onto their own internal DIKWP framework. If it doesn't fit, bingo, no consciousness detected. That's the relative part in action. But here's the kicker. The interaction is riddled with potential bugs. Misinterpretations pop up because information isn't always perfect or symmetrical. Your existing knowledge, K, might project onto new data D, creating pareidolia, seeing faces where there are none. Or your pre-existing intent P might filter incoming information I, leading to confirmation bias. It's like trying to sync two slightly different software versions. Glitches are inevitable. These bugs aren't just errors, they're fundamental to how we interact and understand minds. So, how does this conscious feeling actually emerge? Not from some mystical spark, but from the sheer complexity of the DIKWP network itself. It's an emergent property born from the intricate dance of these 5 elements and their constant feedback loops. And here's the plot twist. Those pesky bugs aren't just flaws, they can be catalysts. When the system hits a snag, a contradiction, it kicks higher-level processes into gear, wisdom, purpose, to resolve it. This struggle, this correction process, is what potentially ignites self-awareness. Think about it, maybe consciousness isn't about flawlessness, but about the system's ability to detect and manage its own imperfections. And the cool part, this isn't just brain stuff. Build a complex enough DIKWP network elsewhere, silicon, whatever, and you might just cook up artificial consciousness. The future is looking wired. Let's wrap this up. Those annoying cognitive biases? Confirmation bias, pareidolia, the works? They're not random quirks. They're predictable outputs of the DIKWP machinery under pressure. Evolution gave us these shortcuts for survival, but they come with a side of distortion. Understanding this mechanism, thanks to DIKWP, isn't just academic navel-gazing. It gives us tools to potentially tweak these loops in AI, maybe even in ourselves someday. So, consciousness isn't some pristine, bug-free marvel. It's a fascinating, relative, and frankly, a bit buggy phenomenon. Embrace the chaos, understand the glitches, and who knows what insights we unlock next. Food for thought. Folks,